I knew it. But I didn't want to believe it. I wanted to be wrong. I mean, back then, you were a hero.
It was during the Third Great Ninja War. An age when men and women, young and old, anyone who was known as ninja, flew headlong into battle. They drew blood, shed their bonds, stole things, and lost their own. This cycle of hatred spread like wildfire, endlessly. And in the center stood 3 fledgling youths. They too were ninja, embroiled in this terrible war, putting their lives on the line.
How are you always so late? Ninja have rules. You need to stick to the plan. A good ninja sticks to the rules and does everything by the book.
Rules, doing things by the book, that's all you ever talk about. Don't you have any compassion?
Any ninja that breaks the rules sullies their name. You can at least understand that, right?
Okay, you two. Give it a rest. We're on the same team, remember?
Rin, you're too soft on Obito. Today's a very important day for us.
Yeah, that's true.
Huh? What's going on?
Phew. Let's talk about it on the way to our destination. As of today, Kakashi's become a Jonin, like me. We'll split into 2 units led by Kakashi and myself in order to give us the best chance of success. We're suffering from the biggest lack of manpower that the Hidden Leaf Village has ever seen. Remember.
Actually, Obito, remember our talk about giving Kakashi a present? I already gave him a medkit, and Sensei's also...
I gave him a custom-made kunai knife, just like the one I carry.
What about you, Obito?
Sorry, I forgot.
What?
Well, I wasn't expecting anything from you anyway. It probably would have just been a piece of junk. Useless crap like that would just be excess baggage.
Hey!
Oh, come on, don't start fighting!
Now, let me run through the mission. You're all aware that the Land of Earth has launched an invasion against the village hidden in the grass, right?
Yes, they're coming very fast. It's only a matter of time before they cross into the Land of Fire.
That's why we need to stop them as soon as possible. As such, our mission this time is to infiltrate enemy territory and destroy the Kanabi Bridge, which is part of their supply route.
So we're going to cut off the enemy's support network.
What about you, Sensei?
I'm going to tackle them head-on and act as a diversion for you. For today, Kakashi is your leader. We'll stick together until we hit the border, but after that, your unit's on its own.
Yes, sir.
They noticed me, did they? Impressive.
Careful now, everyone. There's 20 of them, although there's a good chance they're using Shadow Clone Jutsu.
I'm going in. Cover me.
Not so fast, Kakashi. You should act as backup.
What about what you said before, Sensei? I'm the leader today. That means I call the shots, doesn't it? That's the rule.
Okay, everyone. Follow Kakashi's lead.
Okay.
Just defeat one at a time. That's all there is to it.
I don't like fighting kids. Even if we are at war, it doesn't feel right. The least I can do is make sure you don't suffer. than you look. That blonde guy. Couldn't be the yellow flash of the leaf. No, there's no way.
Be right there!
Okay, let's go!
Finish them all off before reinforcements arrive.
Got it.
These are no regular ninja. Maybe I need to rethink my ideas about child shinobi.
They really do have a lot on their side.
Kakashi's getting tired.
Be right there!
Not surprising considering how many he's up against.
Now's the time, let's go!
Think you're better than the Stone Ninja?
Let's go! Think again! Yeah! Think again!
Don't miss!
Okay, let's go!
Get off your high horse!
Think again!
Be right there! Don't miss!
Just as I I'm good to go. Just yeah. You won't escape.
Are you okay, Kakashi?
Good. No sign of any reinforcements. Kakashi's really worn out. Let's retreat for now and regroup.
I'm fine.
Find my ass. That's what you get for ignoring Sensei and doing whatever you like.
That's some talk, coming from a ninja who is too scared to be of any help.
I wasn't scared. I was just, you know, I had a tummy ache. I'll be fine next time.
That's all that ever comes out of your mouth. Excuses.
Enough already, you two. You're going to have to work together from now on if you want to complete your missions. Right now, you're pulling in opposite directions. Yes, Kakashi, rules in the ninja code are important, but they aren't everything. It's like I taught you. Sometimes you've got to adapt to the situation you're in and bend the rules. And Obito, you still haven't truly prepared yourself to be a ninja. Your spirit is weak. That's why you feel scared when you actually face the enemy. I've got faith in you all, though. I know that you can complete this mission on your own. But if you cannot work together and function as a team, you're going to fail. Before I go, one more thing. The most important thing any ninja has to master is teamwork. Got it?
With heartbeats racing, without a clear vision of what was really right and wrong, trapped in a battle with no exit, the boys just kept moving forward, running as fast as they could.
And then? Okay, time to split up. Good luck, everyone. Disperse!
After parting with Minato, Kakashi's team headed straight for their target, Kanabi Bridge. Sometimes arguing, sometimes working together, moving ever forward. Finally, several days later, with their target in sight, the three took their final break. Moving into enemy territory had made them extremely tense. That was when it happened.
Reen!
She's coming with us.
Hey, what did you do to her?
Don't worry, she's just asleep. We'll be able to get a lot out of her.
Let her go! No! Come on, Kakashi, we gotta go after them! Hey, Kakashi! Kakashi?
The two of us need to carry on with the mission by ourselves.
What? Do you know what you're saying?
Yes.
But Reen! What about Reen?
We'll think about Reen later. They want to know what our plan is, so they won't kill her straight away. We should be more worried about them learning our tactics. To a ninja, his mission is everything. That's the ninja code.
The ninja code? There's something way more important than that stupid code! What about Reen? She's one of our comrades! She's helped us time and time again with her medical ninjutsu. She supported us the entire time! She's a priceless friend!
She did that because it was part of her mission.
Forget it. You and I just don't get along. There's no point in discussing it anymore.
You don't get it. You don't know what happens to people who break the code.
Sure, maybe in the ninja world, those who break the rules are scum. But you know what? Someone who doesn't care about their friends is even worse. I'm going to help Reen! Reen!
She's trapped in a genjutsu. If you want to free her, you'll need to defeat us. But there's no way you could do that.
Reen, I promise.
Must have taken a lot of courage to come here alone. Sometimes courage just isn't enough.
Fireball!
Know what I mean? Unfortunately, your life ends here.
I'm still shaking. Damn it. You're only afraid because you're weak, Obito. Get over it. Just a little more. Reen.
Think you're close, do you? To rescuing your friend? You think like a kid, you act like a kid. You really think someone like me would fight seriously against a kid? You don't know when to give up, do you? Maybe you're not as useless as I thought you were. You've got some nerve to take us on. I admire your courage. But that's all you've got. Now it's time to erase you. Whoa. Come on, quit playing games, Taisuke. I will. Camouflage jutsu!
Rain. You can do it, Obito! I'm rooting for you!
I won't give up.
Die!
Kakashi? What are you doing here?
Well, I couldn't leave a weakling like you on his own, could I?
He's pretty tough for a kid. I think I better join you, Taisuke, just in case.
I'll take the lead here. Back me up, Obito. Let's do this! Obito, is Rin okay?
Leave it to me! You use Genjutsu on Rin. That's why...
You'll have to defeat us if you want to snap her out. Simple, right?
Yeah!
Guess there must be quite the manpower shortage in the Leaf Village. It must be crazy to send kids like you out to war.
Age doesn't matter. If you fight, you fight. That's the ninja way of life. Our training system is worlds apart from yours, I guess.
Everything you say pisses me off. You know that?
Leave it to me! Fire! See you!
Earth style! Camouflage jutsu!
Leave it to me! See ya!
Okay, let's go!
I've got this one!
Don't ease up just because they're kids! I just let my guard down for a second, that's all. Still, they're definitely more than your average kids.
Fire style!
Dismiss.
Earth style! Rock breaker!
Don't mind if I do. Dismiss.
Rock breaker!
Got it. Chidori.
Stupid kid.
Leave it to me!
The little brat is really tough.
Kakashi!
I can handle it. Obito!
See ya.
Kakashi!
Damn it!
Kakashi, are you okay? Your eye.
I'm not dead yet. Just stay focused, Obito.
We can use this to our advantage. I'll finish both of them now.
I can never back up what I say. I always rely on everyone for help. But still, there's one thing that I want to make sure I can back up.
Die! Your eyes.
Obito, you've awakened your Sharingan.
I'm going to save my friends! Huh?
Whoa, seriously?
Ready? Obito?
You bet!
I feel like whatever. I better stay sharp anyway, since he's strong enough to take out Taisuke.
Fire style! Phoenix Fire Jutsu!
You little brat! Don't get cocky! What's going on with this guy? He's nothing like he was before.
I've got this!
You won't be leaving here in one piece.
Leave it to me!
Dismissed.
Well, it's really pissing me off. I'm sick of looking at you maggots!
No more running away! Fire style! Phoenix Fire Jutsu! See ya! Leave it to me! Fire style!
Good to go. Got it. Thinking
Fire style! Fire Jutsu!
Well, it's really pissing me off.
Okay, let's prepare yourself. I'll take care of this. I'll take care of this.
Stay cool. They're just kids. They're still green when it comes to battle. Here's one. You little brats!
Fire style! Fireball Jutsu! Synchronize, Kakashi! Release!
Kakashi, Obito.
We're here to save you, Rin. You're safe now.
You rescued the hostage and let your guard down. Don't you think it's a bit early to relax, you little leaf brats? Earth-style Rockbreaker!
This is bad. Run to the exit!
Kakashi!
Are you okay, Rin? Kakashi? Obito! No! Don't bother. It's no use, Kakashi. I think I'm done for.
Obito!
No, but why? Obito!
Damn it! Why? If I had listened to you when you first said we should go after Rin, then this would never have happened. Some leader, some Jonin I am.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. I never gave you a gift to congratulate you on becoming a Jonin, Kakashi. I've been trying to come up with something good. And just now, I got an idea. Don't worry, it's not some lame gift you can't use. I want you to have my Sharingan. I don't care what people back home say. You are a great Jonin. I truly believe that. Take this, please. I'm going to die now, but I'll become one of your eyes. I'll see what the future holds. Kakashi, hurry and take Rin and go. More reinforcements are coming.
But, Obito!
Just go.
Rin!
Earth style! Earthquake slam!
Rin, grab onto me, quick!
Just when Kakashi and I finally started getting along. But I never managed to tell Rin how I feel. I wish I could have stuck around a little longer.
Obito!
Damn it.
Kakashi, protect Rin.
Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it!
Let's go!
Am I dead? Wait.
Looks like you're awake.
Sensei, why?
This kunai is a marker for my transportation technique.
What about the enemies?
I took care of them.
What about Rin? Where's Rin?
I'm sorry I didn't make it in time, Kakashi. Rin told me everything.
The Third Great Ninja War. This long, drawn-out conflict came to an end after taking the lives of many nameless ninja. At the same time, it carved the names of a number of heroes into ninja history. The Battle of Kanabi Bridge. On that day, 2 heroes were born in the Hidden Leaf Village, each with their own Sharingan. The name of one is carved on a tombstone, while the other is known far and wide as Kakashi of the Sharingan. However, with the passage of time, even tales of heroism can unfold into cold, heartless reality. The fighting, the pain, the hatred. It goes on and on, forever.